So let me show you how simple it is to modify the content of your pages. Everything about the builder is drag and drop, so you can drag and adjust the position of the different elements just by clicking and dragging. And you see by the blue line that indicates where exactly the element will go. So if you position it here, you see how smooth and easy it changes the position. These are the elements and you can adjust their position very easily, as you can see. Alright, so between each two elements you can also adjust the margin. Like in this case, it shows how many pixels you have. And by dragging and dropping, you see that you can create more margins on the side. You can also do it for the blocks as well. So on top and on the bottom of the blocks, you can add more padding to create more spacing. This is important when you're building a design, to have a good breathing room. That's why you have nice spacing here, you have nice spacing here. These are important about the usability and readability of your pages. So the content of your pages is positioned into blocks. To each block you can adjust the block settings, such as the image in this case that you can change to anything that you like. You can do it as well for every block. The block itself can be split into different columns. Columns allow you to easily adjust the content and align it. So for example, here we have 5 columns, 3 of which are with content and 2 are just for spacing. In this case we have only 1 because we have all our content in one column. But if you click on the 2 column split, for example, you see that you have the column slider and you can adjust the width of each column. And here you can position the text on a different side. So by clicking in the text, for example, double clicking, you'll be able to start editing with the text editor. And if you click once on every element, you see the different settings that they have on top. The text widget obviously have these ones, the button have a bit more, such as alignment, styling, link, etc. It's really easy to modify everything this way. You can adjust everything about your design and different widgets by either clicking once and selecting the option, or by double clicking and finding the main settings about that widget. If you want to add another element into your page, let's say another image, let's say we didn't have this one, and you want to add a new image here, simply click on the plus icon. There you see all the different elements that you have. So let's say that we want to add an image, so we just click add the image and then we select from the library or upload a new file for the image that we want to add. Just like that, we can adjust and create our own designs to our likes. And you can drag up any of the different elements that you have. Text, headlines, buttons, icons, search, whatever it is, you can drag it and add it to your design. But if you don't want to build your own designs, because of course it takes some time to build like something like this and adjust styling it, etc. All you can do is just click between each 2 blocks on the add block button. There you see the different amazing designs that we've created for you, so you don't have to build them yourselves. So let's say that you want to add some kind of a services just below your heading section. So let's say that we like something of this sort with images again. So we can just click on it, and just like that we've added this whole design just in a few seconds. You don't have to design it yourself and spend like 5 minutes to build it into this design. And as you can see, it's very pretty and it has heading, text, button if you wish. If you don't like the buttons and you want to use the different parts, just delete each button by clicking on the delete option. And just like that, we've modified our newly added section. You can also adjust the image size to your likes, like this. If you want to change the image itself, simply double click and you can add your own image instead. So these are some of the small and beautiful animations and elements and blocks that you can add into your designs. The animations themselves you can add from the animation icon. And here you can adjust and make some really cool things such as zoom in animation or sliding from the right. These are all cool things that you can also add with the animation option. So just like that, by adding different blocks for different purposes, you can completely modify the looks of your pages. Let's say that you want to add a video instead now. You can just click on it and have a video section with some text where you can just modify like this, edit the video, enter the URL, and have a completely different section for your website. And it's, as you can see, it's really beautiful, and they scale great on mobile devices. So if you click on the mobile icon, you see how everything fits very well on mobile, and you don't even have to modify anything. It just scales the way it's supposed to be. But if you want, you can also do some modifications, but we'll look that into another video, and how you can modify your pages on mobile. So this is how you modify your content with the drag and drop, with the blue line indicating where the position of the element is going, by adding different elements from the plus icon, or just adding a whole section by clicking on an add block, and add any design into your designs. So this is how easy it is to build new pages, new websites, new funnels, and I hope that you enjoy it. Try it out and see how amazing and easy it is to build your page.